Yeah! Today we're gonna do a fun activity that you can do from home. You'll need supervision, so don't do this alone. I'll tell you all the things you need and what it's all about. And then I'll give you hints and see if you can figure it out. You need some vinegar, some baking soda, and some bottles. Then you need a couple large balloons and some goggles. The goggles are for safety, balloons we're gonna blow. Do you think you know? Time to see, let's go! Hey Chloe, have you ever done any cool science experiments?
Yeah, at school, we made a little volcano and it even exploded a little bit.
Wow, that's awesome. That's one of my favorites. Well, I have a treat for you today. Today's gonna be a big science day.
Yay!
Yeah! And I want you to meet a good friend of mine. I want to introduce Seth, the mad scientist. Come on in, Seth.
Hey, guys. Hey, Chloe.
Hey, Seth.
So, Seth, why don't you tell us why you're here today?
Today, we're going to do an ultra fun experiment. We're using baking soda with vinegar.
Cool.
Step number 1, we ever so slightly put our vinegar into the water bottle.
Wow, vinegar is great. It also goes really great with my salads.
Is everybody ready for step number 2?
Yeah!
Let's put the baking soda in the balloon.
Whoa!
What does the baking soda do?
The baking soda adds to the vinegar and makes our special gas.
Ooh, I can't wait to see.
Now we go for the big, most important step.
What's that?
We're gonna put the balloon over the bottle very tightly because we don't want our gas to escape.
That is great.
We have to put on our goggles.
Oh, that's right. That's almost the most important part. Safety first. Safety's always important. Let me hear us all say, safety first.
Safety first.
Yeah, remember everybody, safety first. Put your goggles on to protect your eyes in case things go wrong. We gotta stay safe because safety works, and the goggles keep us safe, so it's safety first. All right, what's next?
Hip Hop Harry, Chloe, you guys can do this one with me.
Okay.
Oh,
Watch how I...
Sprinkle it down.
whoa, it's like an hourglass.
It's coming up. Why?
Look at
Gas
the balloon, whoa.
is filling up the balloon with carbon dioxide.
Whoa.
Oh. Sprinkle it down.
Oh, there it goes.
Uh-oh.
Look at that balloon go.
Eureka! Perfect!
Wow, starting to fizz.
Hop,
Oh,
Harry.
there goes the balloon. Go balloon.
Let's shake things up a bit.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
So Seth, why are some of the balloons smaller or bigger than the others?
I put different amounts of vinegar and a different amount of baking soda in mine. Mine has more because I am a professional scientist.
Not fair.
Well, Chloe, I wanted to make sure you're safe. You
That's
have
true.
the perfectly most beautiful blue balloon I've ever seen in my life.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Hip Hop Harry,
What about mine?
yours looks just right, my friend.
Thanks. I tried to keep it just right. Yeah. Today we learned about a fun activity that we did straight from home base. Had to wear goggles so we could stay safe when we mixed the baking soda with the vinegar splash. It started a foam releasing CO2 gas. And when we put the balloon on the top of the bottle, the gas blew up the whole balloon at full throttle. So till the next adventure, the fun don't stop. Now let's go play with these balloons and hope they don't pop. Fun things to do at home with Hip Hop Harry. Subscribe now.